Hi everyone, welcome to the monthly card collab, which is hosted by Crafty Crab, who is Katie, and Metal Scrappin' Chick, who is Kim. Hello ladies. We do a themed card or cards every month, and this month the theme is hope. So I started off going one way and then I totally changed it, but anyway, I made two cards. Let me show you the first one. This is the first one. They're pretty simple, I guess. I'm using the paper that is a celebration item by Stampin' Up, which you can get with a $50 purchase. It's called Flower and Field Designer Series paper. It's really pretty. And a basic black A2 size card, so that's 5.5 by 8.5. And scored at 4 1/4, but I've turned it horizontally. This is So Saffron cardstock by Stampin' Up, which is 5 1/4 by 4, and then this is the designer paper, which is 4 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then this ribbon is the gingham ribbon in the annual catalog in Bumblebee color, and it's number 153658. I'm going to link all the products that I'm using here for both these cards down in the box below, as well as all the other collab participants, so you can easily hop along and see what everyone else has made. These are Bumblebee embellishments from the In Color 2020 to 2022, and that's Bumblebee. This die is from the Tasteful Label dies. It's this one right here. And the sentiment came from Path of Petals. These are only shown at 80%, so this hoping you find strength today and peace in tomorrow is the sentiment from here. You can see it's a lot bigger than the cover here. And that's all I used out of that. And then I stamped that in Memento Tuxedo Black and just popped that up. So pretty simple. And inside, this flower, again, So Saffron. This is actually Whisper White because I still have some of that left. Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And this flower is from the Touch of Ink. Images are at 65%, so clearly you can see that's bigger as well. But I wanted something that sort of went with these flowers here. And I colored it in with Granny Apple Green Light and So Saffron Light and Dark from the Stampin' Blends, which are the alcohol markers. And that is pretty much it for that card. I was starting out, I was going to use the Path of Petals dies, the Petal Labels dies. This one doesn't cut out the, it does this. So I was going to have something like that, which would have been nice too, but I didn't want to cover up that much paper of the designer paper. And so I didn't use those. Okay, so then the second card, move this out of the way. The second card, I used the paper that had Misty Moonlight, Just Jade, and White on it. And what I used here is the sentiment from Comfort and Hope, called Comfort and Hope. And then inside it says, know that I love and care about you. And that's here in Memento Tuxedo Black. So pretty basic layering on here. Here I did use the Pretty Perennials, this flower here, and I stamped that in the Whisper White craft ink onto Misty Moonlight cardstock, and then I used Just Jade ink and used these dots and put them in the center, and then I die cut it. There are dies to go with those flowers up here, and I die cut these two leaves in Just Jade and put them on the back of there. And then I let's see, I forget how wide this is. So it's another A2. The black is 5 1/4 by 4. Let's give you some measurements here. The green is 3 1/4 by 5 1/4, and then the designer paper is 3 by 5. Yeah. And that's about it. These are both bumped up on dimensionals. And then, yeah, I already showed you the inside. So that's pretty simple cards about hope. Alright, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. And please do go see Katie and Metal Scrappin' Chick, who is Kim. So Crafty Crab and Metal Scrappin' Chick and all the other participants, and see what wonderful cards they made this month. Next month is a tough one for me because it is sports. I don't have a lot of sports stuff, everyone, so I'm gonna have to be a little creative, and we'll see what I do. Alright, take care. Talk to you soon.